What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we did a vlog or a video or posted on the channel for anything automotive, but in this video we're going to be working on the daily. Power steering pump went out on it the other day, so we're going to go ahead and pull the whole pump off, put a new one on and stuff. But this is Car Do Garage. We can't just take the old pump off and put a new pump on. We got to give it that CDG swag. And if you all know what that means, lay it down in the comments. But let's go ahead and pull this pump off and all that. Do what we gotta do to it, get it back on the car, and bleed the system out. And there's a couple other things we're gonna do. So don't exit this video yet, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get it. And to do the pumps on these cars is very simple. You got this hose here that goes to your reservoir. You got two 10s here. You got a 12 here. And then right down here as well, you got another one. Right there. And that's pretty much all you got. And then obviously a belt. And then you got to take the pulley off, because when you get a new pump, it doesn't come with the pulley. So let's get you guys on a time lapse and get this taken apart. All right, first we're gonna go ahead and loosen everything up, just so we can move the pump to get the belt off. So you got this bolt here, like I said, that's a 12, and then the one down here. Let's see, reach that one. Slide the belt off. I like to pry it over the dipstick, just like so, so it doesn't come off at the bottom. Makes it a little more easier to manage and work with. And then we got to get these two lines off as well. So we'll go ahead and get this one off first, and then this one. Okay, so up here, this would just be two 10 mils. And then the 10 mils, I'm just gonna set right here in the fender, so you guys we don't lose them. And then I like to get a glove. So when I pull this off, ooh, that one went everywhere. Go ahead and put the glove over this here, so the fluid doesn't get anywhere, because this stuff will eat up your paint, you know. And then we got this one as well. And then we can take the pulley off, or the pump off, then the pulley off. Bottom bolt off completely out of the pump. So when you take this line off, you can pry the pump all the way up, and it'll hold some of the fluid in there until you can get it out. There's the 12 mil from the bottom. Ha! I got it. At this point, you can go ahead and get this 12 mil from the top completely out. And like so, you got your pump off. Alright, so the pump is off, out of the way and everything. Got the pulley off right here. So I'm going to go ahead and run up to AutoZone real quick and get the new pump. And then we can make that pump look better and install it, because we got to paint it. And if we paint it, you guys already know what we're doing to it, so we got to make it look good. All right, so back with the power steering pump, the new one. Got it set up right here hanging, so we can go ahead and make it look that much better than it already does, being new. So we got the trusty old hair dryer out. Put some heat in this thing. You know how it goes, not too much heat, because we don't want to damage any of the seals or anything that's in it, but just get a little warm and lay down the paint so we can make it look good. And if y'all guessed it, you already know, wrinkle black everything, baby. So let's heat up the part, lay down some paint, put a little heat in it, twist it, and just keep going. Get that baby looking nice and good. So set you guys up on the tripod and get to it. Alright, I got maybe half a can here, so hopefully it should be enough to do this. Lay it pretty heavy to be on the safe side. thicker you get this stuff on, the more of the wrinkle effect you'll get. Like, the better it'll look. Alright guys, just look at it, how it's already getting that nice wrinkle look to it. Looking good all around. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this baby sit here for about 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes, and then we'll get it slapped back on the car. But what y'all think so far? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, so here's the pump. Got a little nicked up when I was trying to take it down, but it still looks way better than it did. Some of those areas you won't really see too much, hopefully. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get the pump thrown back on there. Got the pulley on there. Try to clean the pulley up. It would have been awesome if I was able to get that zinc coated, but yeah, let's go ahead and just throw this pump on real quick and see how it looks. Y'all think? Looks so much better. The focus, there we go. Yeah, I need a new power steering pump, so we put a new one on there, and we went ahead and wrinkle blacked it to go ahead and match the valve cover. And wrinkle black just looks good. You can't go wrong with wrinkle black. Like I said, I didn't have much of it. If I had more, it would definitely get more of a wrinkle look to it. But I'm gonna start it up, let it run for a little bit, get fluid pumped through it and everything. But also the heat will help it wrinkle a little more. So let's go ahead and get it started up. Oh yeah, just gonna let it run for a little bit and should be good. And another note guys, when you get like aftermarket pulley or power steering pumps and stuff, double check these bolts, make sure they're tight. I did went ahead and snug them to be on the safe side. You never know, so just go ahead and check them. But yeah, it's smoking a little bit, just burn off some of that fluid that fell down on the manifold down there. But, and we still got an exhaust leak we got to fix, so we'll address that later because stuff here might be changing. So the gaskets will be different pretty much that we'll be needing. So what do you all think? Let me know down in the comments. But I think that's gonna go ahead and end today's video, guys. If you all did enjoy this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I know we ain't been posting a lot, and it's not that I don't want to, just been busy working and everything, and going from there. So it's all just been working. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll catch you on next one. Peace out and God bless.